I'd like to invite you to a challenge to slow down with me for a moment, to look around you calmly, to let yourself be amazed, to let yourself grow wild, and to be carried away, to catch your breath. We begin a journey that invites us to learn from the oldest and most resilient systems on Earth, natural ecosystems. Over time, these ecosystems have discovered what works and what doesn't, how to build resilience and continuity without unnecessary use of scarce resources. They've learned what fits here, what belongs in this place, and what truly lasts. Perhaps we don't need to reinvent everything ourselves, but instead we can learn from these mentors. They have already built a sustainable world, so why shouldn't we follow their blueprint? In nature, everything is connected. Collaboration, adaptation, and reciprocity are essential not only for survival, but for thriving. This is just as true for ecosystems as it is for organizations, networks, and transitions. So may I take you along for a moment to reconnect and to find harmony in your ecosystem.